How to get rid of hiccups. Step 1. Swallow 1 teaspoon white table sugar dry. A study found that this stopped hiccups immediately in 19 out of 20 people. Repeat up to 3 more times at 2-minute intervals if necessary. Step 2. Gulp down a glass of water if the sugar doesn't work. Step 3. Slowly eat a piece of dry bread. Step 4. Breathe in and out of a paper bag. Do not use a plastic bag under any circumstances, and don't do this longer than 1 minute. Step 5. Gargle with water. See how to gargle. Step 6. Repeat the above steps until your hiccups stop.